Here we are at step 6, and this step may or may not happen. It's the renegotiation. It's a common step in the escrow process, and it happens when the buyer has any concerns about property condition, the appraisal, or potentially something they learned on your disclosure package. The buyer has the right to request either a repair for something that needs some attention or a credit in lieu of that repair. Or in some cases, the buyer will actually request a price reduction for the cost of that repair instead of a credit. This is a very standard part of any real estate transaction, but you are not obligated to agree to anything. Technically, all homes in California are sold as is, but like I said, renegotiation is pretty common. If you do agree to some sort of repair or credit, my recommendation is to issue a credit instead of actually doing the repair. This accomplishes a couple things. First of all, it saves us a bunch of time and energy, and it also keeps the process moving forward. In addition to that, it removes any obligation or liability between you and the contractor and punts that down the road to be between the buyer and anybody they decide to hire to do some work on your home. The last thing you need is to sell this home, have a great experience, and then get phone calls about some contractor that you found in a hurry to get work done before we close escrow, and now there's people unhappy about it. Let's just avoid that entirely and use a credit instead. Of course, I'm here to coach you through this process, and my decades of experience in negotiations will make sure you get the best result possible through this process.